Hey you guys, welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. This is your girl Champagne back with another video. Here on this channel, I show you guys how to do everyday makeup looks, special occasion makeup looks, skincare tips and tricks, and all about being an esthetician. So today's look, we definitely did a soft glam look, you guys. This will be considered an everyday look that you can wear. You can wear this look to school, to work, a night out, or for coffee, or just to be out somewhere. This is a soft look, very chic, very elegant too, that could be worn literally anywhere. uh, it's not over the top, it's very neutral with nature color tone. You got the brown, you got the cream color. I mean, it's gorgeous, you guys. So I hope you guys stay tuned, watch how I completed this look, and keep watching. Hey you guys, so I just got done patting in my concealer underneath my brows and my eyelid. Then I'm going in with that Masquerade eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be going for the lightest shade in that palette, the lightest brown shade. So I'm going to use that shade. And I'm using a fluffy brush. I'm going to pat that shade in my socket area of my eye. So right in the socket and a little bit above. That's where I'm going to place that light brown. It's important to do that because you want to make sure that brown is noticeable when you apply your other eyeshadows. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to be going in with this darker brown shade, and I'm simply just going to place that shade right below the socket area. So that would be my crease area. So basically, it's a line. I kind of got like 3 lines on my eyelids, but it's the very first top of the line. I'm going to focus that brown. So basically, not to confuse you, underneath the socket area, that's where we're going to concentrate that darker brown to start to give the eye some definition. And some notes to take down: follow your natural eye pattern when you do this. Not pattern, your eye shape. So as you saw me, I just wiped off the excess brown eyeshadow that was on there, and I'm just blending out that first brown shade color that I had, just to blend out any harsh line that may be noticeable. So I just went back in with the first brown shade that I put on it, and I'm just going in, adding more color just to make that color pop a little more. So I'm going to go in using this P. Louise base to apply on my eyelid, as you see me do. And I'm using like this firm, I believe that's a cut crease brush. I'm not for sure, but it's kind of firm fluff brush, but that's the type of brush you want to use when applying that base. Now, if you do not have a base, you can also go in and use a concealer. That will work too. You just need to make sure that whatever you use is very, very bright and light, so that your eyeshadow that you put on top of it will be very pigmented and show through. I guess not bright, but just make sure your eye, the base or the concealer that you're using is light enough so your eyeshadow can show through. So as you see me doing, so I patted that base down to where it's not creamy anymore and it's kind of turning matte, and that's what we want. Notice I was pulling down that concealer, pulling down the brown into the concealer. So you saw me doing that. You want to do that to get rid of that crease between the concealer and your eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with this lighter eyeshadow color, and it's really not an eyeshadow color, it's more like a highlighter because I got it out of my contour palette, LA Girl, LA Color contour palette. And I'm just applying that lighter shade, as you see, all over my lid. Well, everywhere where that base is at, that's where I'm applying that. So I wiped off any extra of that powder, and I'm just blending in that powder with the brown to decrease the harshness of any lines. Going in with my Maven Beauty Liquid liner, I'm going to create a wing.